Hello guys, recording on my new Huawei phone. This old Huawei ITOs that I bought off eBay. It's like a U810 or something. It's crazy. Here's my mirror. Look at this old phone. There's a 2.8-inch touchscreen. It runs Android 2 Froyo. I wanted to show you guys something here. The parts from the Lenovo SFF PC. A Think Center. I put it into an Acer TC895 gaming PC case. You can see here with the window. Can you see that at all? Well, my PC parts from the Think Center are in there. So they fit it exactly, and then look, there's my power supply, motherboard. See, they're both in there. It's kind of cool. Here's the front with the power button sticking out. The light. See? It's kind of ridiculous, but you know, it does fit. I went ahead. I have it right now taped in there and like taped off so it won't short out. And when I get my hot glue, I can actually set it right up. And I can fit a full size GPU in this bitch, so that's cool. Alright, that was it for right now. I'll see you guys later.